In this video, let's continue working with pixels. So I created a specific pixel, Problemio's core sales pixel. With this pixel, I track just one page.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
And on this page, I sell courses. After you create this pixel, what I did is you highlight the pixel, and then you want to connect assets, and you want to connect your accounts, and you want to also connect people, and I connected the person, me, and so I'm able to use it in my ad dashboard. So now when I'm in my ad setup, and that would be right here. Remember the screen when we were creating the campaign, and under campaign there are ad sets, and under ad sets there are specific ads. Well, what you can do is now use this pixel. Once you've connected it to this account and this person, you can connect that pixel, and that's what we did. So we got a fresh new pixel, and you can get a lot of analytics from this pixel, so you can target future audiences. And Facebook will also show your ad to people who convert at a higher rate, just to make sure that it's clear what's happening. So when we are creating our ad set on their website, it says conversion event location, and it says we'll optimize delivery of your ads to get the most out of these conversions at the lowest cost. So what you can do, if you get rid of this, you can go and choose a pixel. And this is the one that I just made, this one. And you can even see it's 23 minutes ago. So I'm going to choose that one. And that's a unique pixel. It's going to track uniquely that page. And so over time, it's going to understand like what is the ideal audience for that page, who goes to that page. And after that, our ads are going to be really well targeted to the ideal kind of user. Of course, we're going to do our own targeting, but Facebook is going to help us along, and we'll have a lot of analytics. So let's take a look at that analytics. Since this is a new pixel, there's no analytics yet. There's no real data. So let's take a look at some analytics for an existing older pixel. We're going to go in the top right, open in Events Manager, and we're going to pull this down, and it says open in analytics. And we can tell some data about this particular pixel. This pixel tracks a very small subset of my traffic. It tries to sell some kind of like an expensive product. We're not going to worry about that. We're just going to check out what it shows us. So users, uniques, session lengths, top landing pages, and traffic sources. In this particular case, it's not that informative because a lot of it is unknown. But for other types of tracking, there will be more things that are known. And you can tell a few other things like when people are active throughout the day. Then you can see the gender metrics. Here it's overwhelmingly male. So of course that informs our future targeting. You can see location, mostly United States. So we can tell quite a bit and form our future ads based on this analytics. And you can also browse around different options on the left here. Some I have set, some not. It depends on what you might find useful. For example, there's demographics. We can take a look at that. And there's technology. Technology is actually interesting because would you have guessed that most people come from like Windows? I wouldn't, right? Like Windows here. I totally wouldn't. I definitely would have thought like, yeah, Mac, but not Windows. So it's a little surprising. And so does that really help us in this case? Not really. But it just gives us an overview, and the most important thing is that now we're going to have specific analytics available to us and data that is going to tell us a lot about the users of that page that we're tracking, and our ads will be more optimized. That's what's really important for us. And we'll get reporting on future traffic to see how well it performs. That's also really important for us.